Okay, so let's look at forces in uniform circular motion, where you have to draw the free body diagram. Okay, so now let's look at this. So this is a horizontal circular motion. So if you come across a horizontal circular motion punya question, we have to still draw the free body diagram lah, even untuk chapter 6. So that's why free body diagram is very important for you to know how to draw. Okay, now let's see. So assuming the ball is blue color, this is the dot that's representing the ball. Okay, so what forces is being experienced by this ball? There will be gravity pull, which is the weight, and then there is tension. Is there anything else? I don't think there is. So assuming this is so this is the rope. We are looking at it horizontally. Okay, lepas tu we have this ball here. Okay, so we only have the string here. So this is actually the tension, and then we also have the weight. So we have weight and we have tension. So basically that is just the forces that is being experienced by this ball. Okay, lepas tu apa lagi? Okay, now we are looking at a conical pendulum. So for conical pendulum pula, this is we are still looking at it horizontally. Okay, so we are still looking at it this way, like this. So let's try and draw this again for this situation. Let me just make blue for the ball. Okay, so the ball will experience weight punya weight, lepas tu there is tension through the rope. Tension is here through the rope. Lepas tu ada weight. Apa lagi? Itu je lah. Don't forget to draw your angle. So angle dia is beta. So the beta is somewhere here. I mean it's here lah. Okay, so this is beta. Kejap, betul kah? No, sorry, wrong. Oh lama, punya besar. Kejap. So beta is actually, if we draw this here, beta is here, so it is here. So beta is here. The angle beta is here. Okay. So this is mg, this is tension. Okay, so that is the free body diagram for this conical pendulum. Now we have to look at rounding a flat curve. Okay, so now this is for a car. Okay, so let's try to draw the free body diagram. Mana tu? This one. Okay, so we have the car is here. Right, so we do have weight for the car, and then we have the static friction. Untuk car, the friction is between the tire and the road, so it is actually static friction. Okay, lepas tu dia ada normal force. Okay, so so this is mg, this is static friction, this is the normal force. Okay, so that is the free body diagram for that. And then now we are looking for a roller coaster. So for roller coaster, I'm just gonna draw it here, I mean on the diagram itself. Okay, so hopefully you don't get confused lah. Okay, so for this boy here, let me change color. So obviously ada weight, Lepas tu sekarang ni dia punya kaki, the body of this person is also causing a normal force. I mean, they also experience a normal force. Okay, so that's it for that one. And then untuk yang sekarang dia begini ni, terbalik, the weight is still pointing down. Don't get confused. Weight is still pointing down. And then the normal force is also pointing down. Okay? Sebab sekarang this roller coaster is also still in contact with the person lah. Okay? Okay, lepas tu yang ini masih lagi, oh ini sama sudahlah dengan yang sebelah. Okay? So there's two situations lah untuk roller coaster. Satu yang dia lurus begini, satu yang dia terbalik macam ni. Okay? Okay, so this is mg, this is normal force dengan the weight. Okay, itu untuk roller coaster. Now we have Ferris wheel pula. So Ferris wheel, untuk Ferris wheel kind of the same actually, but buat lagi lah. Okay, so Ferris wheel pun sama, dia ada normal force di sini, and then dia ada weight. Okay, untuk di bawah ni pula normal force juga, and then dia ada weight juga. Okay, so the only difference between Ferris wheel and the roller coaster is the person at the top tidak ada terbalik lah. Dia tidak terbalik bila dia sampai di top tu. Okay? Okay. What else? And let me just rewrite. This is normal force, mg, normal force, mg. Okay. Lepas tu, lastly, mass attached to the end of a cord. So untuk this one, let me just find the, okay, so for this point, this one ada tension. So basically this one is for mg, lepas tu dia punya tension pun di sini. Untuk yang ini, dia punya mg is here, and then tension dia going to this side. Okay, so this is mg tension, mg tension. Okay, so what you need to consider here is just remember that the weight is always pointing down, jangan change dia. Lepas tu consider the normal force. Kalau dia ada contact, dia ada normal force. Kalau dia ada rope, dia ada tension lah. Remember, tension is going away from the object through the rope here. Okay? Right, so that is basically how you draw the free body diagram in the case where you have uniform circular motion. Do remember that you cannot write FC in a free body diagram. Okay, just remember we only have external force, either a push or a pull. We have weight, tension, friction, and then lastly the normal force. Jangan pandai-pandai tulis centripetal force. Okay, we don't do that, we don't write it in the free body diagram. Okay, so that is basically how you draw the free body diagram lah.